Good day, guys. Today I will be taking you guys on how to prove the almighty formula. We have how to prove the almighty formula. We were told that show that ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to minus b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. This is our normal quadratic form, but now we are going to use this our quadratic form to get our almighty formula. So this is the almighty formula we are trying to prove. Just stay tuned with me so that I will take you through the process. We have ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. When it's equals to 0, this simply means that our quadratic form is an equation. Now we are going to take the constant to the other side. That is, the alphabet associated with s are going to stay one side, then the c is going to go to the other side, which is ax squared plus bx is equals to minus c. The reason why this is minus is because when any alphabet cross through the sign of equality, it changes sign. So this positive sign, when it cross, it changes to negative sign. Now we are going to divide all through by the coefficient of a square of x squared, and the coefficient of x squared is a, the coefficient of x is b. Now we are dividing all through by the coefficient of x squared. So this will go out, this will cancel. We'll be left with x squared plus b all over ax is equals to minus c all over a. Now we are to work out the coefficient of x. We are to times it by half and add it to both sides. The coefficient of x is b all over a. We are to times it by half. This times this, which is equals to b all over 2a. We are to square it and add it to both sides. Now we have x squared plus b all over ax plus b all over 2a square is equals to minus c all over a plus b all over 2a square. Now there's what we call perfect square. Since we got this b all over 2a from b all over as square, we are to omit this and pick the two numbers that are associated with square. So we have x plus b all over 2a all square. If we should square this x, it will take us back. If we should square this, it will take us back, which is equals to minus c all over a. B square, it will now be plus b square all over the square root of this will give us 4a square. 2 square will give us 4, a square will give us a square, because this square is affecting everything in the bracket. Now we have x plus b all over 2a all square is equals to, let's take the negative sign, we have b square minus c, b square all over 4a square minus c all over a. Let's work with the right hand side first. We are going to find our LCM. What's our LCM? Our LCM is 4a square. This going to this will give us 1. 1 times b square, we have b square. This going to this will be left with 4a, because 1a out of a square to remaining a. Then 4a times a, it will give us 4a square. So this 4a times c, it will give us minus 4ac. Then let's bring this down. X plus b all over 2a square. Since it's a quadratic equation, we are going to introduce our plus and minus. Then we are taking all this to the right plus b all over 2a, which is equals to, since this square is coming to the other side, it will turn to square root of b square minus 4ac all over 4a square. Now we'll be left with 4 plus b all over 2a is equals to, since we can't find the square root of this top, we are going to leave it like that, minus 4ac all over, the square root of 4 is 2, the square root of a square will give us a, so we'll be left with 2a. Now we are going to take this b all over 2a to the other side. We have x plus s is equals to minus b all over 2a plus or minus root b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Now we are going to pick our LCM, which is this 2a. We are going to leave it because of the LCM. We'll be left with x is equals to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac all over 2a. We have fall back to our almighty formula, which is this. Now we have successfully shown that al squared plus bx plus c is equals to minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.